Hello everyone, allow me to invite you to test out the beta version of my new Jump movie player. Um, it has a few unique features not found in other video players, and I hope you will like it. For this one, you will need to use the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, and it's only available from the Microsoft Store because of few unique features that are only possible with these QVP APIs. So let me show you what happens. When I launch it, you will see this semi-transparent window, and that is the part of the Fall Creators update. Well, it's a nice feature, but that's not what this player is about. Let me show you a few things that are new. Here I have a sample of a TV show. I'll open it, and it will automatically search for the subtitles on the local drive, but you can also click there and search open subtitles. Look at here, it's just the name of the file, but as soon as it searches for through the subtitles, it will get the full name of the TV show, and it will also show you the IMDb score, and you can also click here to load the page from IMDb and see the whatever you want to see, the cast and the score and whatever else. So here we have a lot of subtitle video files that it had found. When open subtitles, you can specify different languages, and you can see here a preview of the file. If there is something wrong, you can switch to a different encoding, and that's it. You can when I close it, it will continue playing, but I will show you a few unique features, the reason why I actually made this player. So when I press pause, you will see these are all the dialogues that had been played, all the subtitle lines that have been previously in the video. And on the right side, you will see previous scene cuts. So what this player does, it analyzes the video file while you're playing and tries to find where the scene was cut. And you can see all the previous scene cuts. It's not a perfect algorithm, I'm improving it, but it's much more useful than just showing the random thumbnails. And you can see this green line. This is how much the video has been analyzed. So let me just keep it to here. Press pause again. You can see these are the cuts, and I can just click here, and I can continue from there. Or for example, if there was a letter from somewhere and you didn't get to read it, you can just scroll to the place you want, click, read it, double click to continue from there. And on the subtitle side, this is what has been said already. So if you missed something, you didn't understand something, you just press pause and read the previous dialogues. Another cool feature is you can actually search for the dialogues. For example, okay, somebody mentioned a Stark before, so I just search for Stark, press enter, and 46 seconds ago somebody mentioned the Stark. I can just double click to play from there. But also I can say, okay, I'm interested in where in the whole TV show somebody was mentioning Stark. I can click this button and I will see all the time frames relative to the current playback head where this word was mentioned, and I double click to continue from there.
In honor of Lord Stark's appointment as Hand of the King.
So that's, there are a few interesting features. For example, instead of just skipping left and right random number of seconds, pressing this will actually jump to the next dialogue, so you don't miss anything. This is for the previous dialogues, it will just cycle through them. And another thing is you can also switch. That is left and right arrow to switch between dialogues.
A woman worth fighting.
But if I press Control left, it will skip to the previous scene instead of just random number of seconds. So previous scene, previous scene, previous scene, previous scene, spaces, pause, and yeah, you can choose a different scene if you know how it looked like. You can choose the font size with one click of a button. You can also disable subtitles and still keep the skipping between dialogues available and showing this part. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, another thing. If I play
A
it
woman worth
in full screen,
fighting for. I'm sure you'll agree.
you can see this blue line. I always hated that I didn't know how much time was left until the end of the show. But this time, with this line, I can always see, okay, I'm here and I have this much left. So I think it's also a cool thing. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will enjoy it. Download it and let me know what you think. If you have any other ideas, I have a few more, but I will get to them later. There are a few bugs left to be fixed, so I apologize for those. But yeah, let me know if you find any. And oh yeah, it's free, so there are no ads except in subtitles. But I'm not going to remove those because this is part of Open Subtitles website. So yeah, I can't do anything about those. All right, take care. Bye.